Welcome to another interesting video with fun and unknown facts. Hope you will enjoy the video. Let's get started. Please do subscribe for more videos.
The Sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in the Solar System. It has a mass of around 330,000 times that of Earth. It is 3/4 hydrogen and most of its remaining mass is helium. Over 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. If you were to fill a hollow Sun with spherical Earths, somewhere around 960,000 would fit inside. However, if you squashed those Earths to ensure there was no wasted space, then you could fit 1,300,000 Earths inside the Sunday. The surface area of the Sun is 11,990 times that of Earth. One day the Sun will consume the Earth. The Sun will continue to burn for about 130 million years after it burns through all of its hydrogen, instead burning helium. During this time it will expand to such a size that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and Earth. When it reaches this point, it will have become a red giant star. The energy created by the Sun's core is nuclear fusion. This huge amount of energy is produced when 4 hydrogen nuclei are combined into one helium nucleus. The Sun is almost a perfect sphere. Considering the sheer size of the Sun, there is only a 10 kilometers difference in its polar and equatorial diameters. This makes it the closest thing to a perfect sphere observed in nature. The Sun is traveling at 220 kilometers per second. It is around 24,000 to 26,000 light-years from the galactic center, and it takes the Sun approximately 225 to 250 million years to complete one orbit of the center of the Milky Way. The Sun will eventually be about the size of Earth. Once the Sun has completed its red giant phase, it will collapse. Its huge mass will be retained, but it will have a volume similar to that of Earth. When that happens, it will be known as a white dwarf. It takes 8 minutes for light reach Earth from the Sunday. The average distance from the Sun to the Earth is about 150 million kilometers. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, so dividing one by the other gives you 500 seconds, 8 minutes and 20 seconds. The distance between Earth and Sun changes. This is because the Earth travels on an elliptical orbit path around the Sunday. The distance between the two ranges from 147 to 152 million kilometers. The Sun is halfway through its life. At 4.5 billion years old, the Sun has burned off around half of its hydrogen stores, and has enough left to continue burning hydrogen for another 5 billion years. Currently the Sun is a yellow dwarf star. The Sun rotates in the opposite direction to Earth, with the Sun rotating from west to east instead of east to west like Earth. The Sun has a powerful magnetic field. When magnetic energy is released by the Sun during magnetic storms, solar flares occur, which we see on Earth as sunspots. Sunspots are dark areas on the Sun's surface caused by magnetic variations. The reason they appear dark is due to their temperature being much lower than surrounding areas. The Sun generates solar winds. These are ejections of plasma, extremely hot charged particles, that originate in the layer of the Sun known as the corona, and they can travel through the solar system at up to 450 kilometers per second. The atmosphere of the Sun is composed of 3 layers: the photosphere, the chromosphere, and the corona. The Sun is classified as a yellow dwarf star. It is a main sequence star with surface temperatures between 5,000 and 5,700 degrees Celsius, 9,000 and 10,300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Please do subscribe for more videos.